Welcome back to Make an Adventure. So today we're going to be building our couch, and we've got some hardware here that I can't tell you where I got it from or how much it cost. All I can say is go down to your local furniture supply store and be real nice to them and find some hardware you like on a couch you like. Be nice, maybe bring them some cookies, and they might be nice to you. So with that, we've got this hardware. You can kind of see what it does. It's going to be able to pull out and lift up our bed. So that's what we need to build right now. So it can come out and then lock towards the other couch cushion that way. We actually should probably measure this to see the heights we need to work with. I don't know what I'm doing. We're going to figure this out. We're going to get some pieces installed today. I don't know what this is all about. Oh, some nuts or something. Alright, let's go cut some wood. It's 28? Yeah?
Yep, 28.
Yeah?
Yep. If you can see it, but this is our rough sketch of what the couch construction is going to look like, with some measurements, some rudimentary sketch on a piece of scrap wood. So
Oh, okay.
ooh, that was loud.
So now I want to put a notch in the board so that my slats for my couch have somewhere to sit, and it's flush with the top. So I'm just gonna notch it in by 3/4 because the material is 3/4 thick, and I want to do about half of the width of the 1x3, which is 1.25 inches. Half of that is about 3/4. So 3/4 inch square, and then install them on the couch, or what will be the couch.
Lovely stairs.
So much better, isn't it?
So much better. I'll go one more time. Yeah, that's it.
That's it? Same thing in the back. Okay.
I'm sitting here with getting an idea of how much room we're gonna have.
Now you can sit on. Oh yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a couch for people who like each other.
Yep. So not for us.
Ah! You heck. That's gonna be all for today's video. Wish us luck for the rest of this couch build because it gets more complicated from here. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and we will see you next time.
Okay.